Hello everyone, my name is Mija, Export Sales Manager from SOJI Electronics, the leading manufacturer of field-level sensor in Vietnam. As far as you know, configuring one sensor takes a lot of time. You have to carry your laptop to the size that is very inconvenient. Moreover, the price to get one laptop is not cheap. Understanding this, we have designed one outstanding device to configure LIGO sensors via phone, iPad, laptop, or even desktop. It's called LIGO Mobile Configurator. Let me call in brief LMC. And today I feel very happy to stand here to discuss, to introduce you about this device. So how does LMC work? It uses Wi-Fi to transmit and receive data, and it is very easy to use because of its friendly interface. You can check, you can do calibration, upgrade firmware, or make change in configuration, or you can do setting for sensors accurately. And let me show you about our device, LIGO Mobile Configurator. Okay, now I will introduce you about how to use the LIGO Mobile Configurator. This is 24 power supply for LIGO sensor. This is 0 volt and this is 24 volt. Let me connect. And this cable is connected to LIGO sensor. You can see. You see the yellow light is blinking. Yes, you can see the yellow light is blinking. And it takes around 30 to 60 seconds. It will, the yellow light will stop. And it is ready to connect to your phone. You can see the Wi-Fi here. The password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is connected. Yeah, the sensor is connected, you can see. Sensor, settings, calibration, upgrade. Yes, I have just introduced you all about our product, our outstanding device, LIGO Mobile Configurator. I hope that this video will be helpful for you and you will consider taking this from next shipment. Thank you and see you again.